Hello, welcome back to Talks Without a Map, where Rohan and I basically take the most random, everyday topics and make them sound like debates. Today's topic is gifting.
Quite debatable.
Yes, the age old tradition of giving someone something wrapped up in fancy paper, which either ends up in their cupboard or maybe on OLX.
Acha, OLX. Okay. Never tried that before. Or worse, re-gifted at their cousin's wedding. I once got back the same perfume I had gifted a friend. Bas wrapping paper alag tha.
It must have been so embarrassing, na? And you should say like recycling at its best. But seriously, yaar, gifting is so tricky. Like, is it even necessary at times? I think, or we just doing it because लोग क्या कहेंगे?
Again, इसमें भी लोग क्या कहेंगे?
हाँ
गिफ्ट
हाँ
दिया या नहीं
हाँ.
लिया तो no, I think the reason why I chose this topic is the other day I was traveling and I had applied this particular perfume.
Okay.
Perfume कहेंगे या deodorant for
हाँ.
men? What do you call it? No. I think
Deodorant.
deodorant only we'll say, not a body deodorant, but the one we put
Okay.
on our sleeves.
Clothes.
Yeah,
Then perfume.
perfume. So and it's so horrendous, honestly. The smell. I use it just because it's there, and I don't want to gift it to someone else or throw it
हाँ.
away, basically.
हाँ.
And I had some. I was feeling under the weather that day.
Okay.
उसके ऊपर इसकी इतनी गंदी smell,
हाँ.
and I just felt so nauseous inside the
हाँ.
Uber. That's where I thought about this, that you should think before you gift something to someone कि just
हाँ.
आप ऐसे ही दे रहे हो या कोई सोच भी है.
हाँ.
Because when you think of gifting something to a boy or a man, it's always either a deodorant or a wallet. उसके अलावा तो you don't think only about anything else. I mean, we also need good food here. We need something
Yeah,
like dry fruits or a protein bar. कुछ नहीं तो एक केला, कुछ सेब, apple, something.
But that's not considered as gifting. No, I
They-
mean, yeah, okay, ठीक है. At my age, I'll probably consider it as gifting. But when it comes to younger generation,
हाँ.
they won't consider
But
it
I am
as
considering
gift.
it, na, still.
You are maybe odd one out.
I mean, it's I think better than deodorants and wallets.
Yeah.
Just one of my sisters, she had gifted me an excellent a sling bag for men. It's so good that I have used it during my abroad travels as well. It's so what should I say? Thoughtful of her, but the bag in itself is so well equipped that I can literally keep anything and everything in it. Whenever I carry it at work, I can even carry my protein bars and my water bottle and my keys and my earbuds and maybe a couple of pens with it and my wallet and everything.
Essentials.
I can sab kuch, my goggles. I can literally, even my small cap I can carry in it.
Okay.
Yet the bag doesn't feel heavy or like big. So something like this, and when I received that gift, I was out of this. It was out of this world for me. Can you believe, like, somebody gives you a very decent, good bag, but you feel like finally I got the gift that I always wanted. Yeah.
See, gifting feels like a double-edged sword. Like if you don't give, people think you are confused. If you give, people judge your choice. मतलब gifting a book is a good gesture, but the thing is, I'm not a reader, so for me, it is like मेरे literally it will go in raddi.
Arre baap.
हाँ.
This reminds me of childhood when my mom's friend, who herself is a geek, she used to like gift me books every time we met. Forget about birthdays. Every time we met, she used to gift me. And one fine day, I told her upfront, like, listen, no more books as gifts, okay? I don't read them. And those books were not even the genre that I used to read. I mean, I doubt what genre I used to read in the first place, but that was definitely not what, because her intention was very good. It was like he should read more, he should have more knowledge, and which I very much agree now. But at that age, I wanted something like a maybe
Toy
cricket ball or something like that,
Yeah.
So that reminds me of that.
Exactly, the pressure is real in today's world where we have too many options. Too many as in they can't be counted also. Like Amazon, Myntra, quirky Instagram stores.
Oh yes, 100%.
Confusion ही confusion है यार. Or half the time we end up asking, bhai, what do you want? Which completely kills the surprise element. But in a way, it's a good thing, na? Like if I ask you, if I buy this for you, will you use it?
Correct.
At least वो पैसे का.
अच्छा है.
हाँ.
I'll give you 2 points on this. First is either gift money. I personally feel you gift them money even if it is $100, 100 rupees. Because there are times where I really need money for something like cash.
Of
In
course.
today's day and age, we need cash. We don't
Yeah.
withdraw a lot of cash. So for traveling or for just छोटा मोटा कुछ लाना है तो cash होती है तो ज़रा अच्छा लगता है, you know.
हाँ.
तो
और ये जीपे आजकल तो
you क्या
QR codes-
I'll open my QR code.
Yeah.
That's okay. But gift and the other reason why I want money is not just the convenience part, but I feel like okay, this person is considerate enough that he thinks that रोहन को जो चाहिए वो ले लेगा इसमें से.
हाँ हाँ
मतलब उसे भी ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लड़ाना है कि क्या दे दूँ यार उसको पसंद आएगा नहीं आएगा. He is like, okay, I'm going to just fill up his envelope with 2,000 rupees. Rohan can buy whatever he wants, and Rohan can buy whenever he wants also from that. So I like that concept.
उसमें भी क्या होता है ना कि suppose if I give cash, okay, then the other person can think, अरे इसने इतना ही दिया, वो भी एक होता है. हाँ, that also
I
happens.
never judge that way. पैसे दे दो बस.
और दूसरा एक चीज़ क्या होता है, अच्छा उसने ये फंक्शन में मुझे इतना दिया था तो मैंने भी उतना ही देना चाहिए.
God.
उससे कम नहीं देना चाहिए. आइदर उतना ही नहीं तो उससे ज़्यादा. ये भी होता है and that happens. Suppose if you have gifted me, suppose say X amount, then while gifting it to you, I will say अरे इसने मेरे को दिया था यार तो इसको कम से कम इतना तो देना ही चाहिए मुझे ऐसे.
I think you're right what you're saying, but then there are very few times that I've re-gifted someone who has gifted me something. Only during birthday parties it used to happen. उसके
But
बाद
this used to happen earlier with me now.
हाँ.
What I say कि if I want to gift something to someone, like it's my pure intention is good. At the receiver's end, like whatever he or she thinks, it's their problem. Earlier I would think a lot. Now I don't think like that.
Yeah, I think in today's day and age, what do you think? Receiving gift has become more exciting, or has just become like an everyday thing? Because earlier it used to be really exciting. Like अरे somebody's gifting me यार. वो रैपर खोलना या envelope खोलना या अरे इसने ये मेरे लिए ये लाया है. Not necessarily they should get it from abroad, but even if they get it on their way. So you used to feel very it was a novel thing for you. It was exciting. It was one of a kind thing. Today I just feel like it's become a norm or formality, and it's also become हाँ ठीक है ना, like a formality as you said. I feel like तो
अभी कैसे हुआ है ना कि दो भी तो भी लोग बोलेंगे, नहीं दो तो भी बोलेंगे. ऐसे see there are at times when you get invites, they have clearly written there कि no gifts, but still we feel you know कि नहीं यार ऐसे कैसे भैया खाने को जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे, ऐसे ही कैसे जाए.
you know once this generally happens during weddings and receptions. We had gone for we were to leave for someone's reception in our amongst our relatives, and it was clearly written no gifts. Okay, but my parents were like nahi kuch to denge, at least some envelope will fill with 501 rupees or something like that. So we didn't have cash also that day. My father, it never happens that he doesn't have cash, but for some reason, and so we withdrew cash. We also bought an envelope on our way. Usko chipkaya. When we went to the venue, we asked everyone, gifts ka kya aata hai? We were like, no, we didn't get any gifts. So we actually got that thing back. That envelope. So ऐसे भी होता है. I think the intention of gifting is also very important. With
Very
what
important,
intention you gift. I remember when my birthday parties used to be there as a kid. We used to invite our maids' sons also for that. And I mean, they used to gift me a small dairy milk or something else because that's all they could afford. And I used to ask my mom, everybody's giving me these fancy things. Why do they give me dairy milk? So she was very frank. She said that, listen, they can't afford because... But that dairy milk was much more sweeter than those other gifts. Now when I go back and I feel... Because that was their intention, pure intention. They never felt that, you know, अरे इसके party में हम कैसे जाएंगे? They used to come, they used to enjoy and still gift me. You know, so your intentions are also very important at that time. It's the intention. Even if you write a letter to someone as a gift, आपकी intention जो है ना वो समझे. And nowadays with age, should I say this terminology? You know that with age, like as I'm growing a little older and older, I start feeling the vibes of people, not just when they speak or when they are in front of me, but also through objects. अगर कुछ gift दे रहे हैं तो किस intention से दे रहे हैं. कभी कभार होता है that somebody gifts you with not so great intentions. I mean, they don't have good intentions towards you, और वो उनके गिफ्ट के ज़रिए आपके घर में आ सकती है वो एनर्जी.
I have heard about it, like, I believe in feng shui. I mean, what I have heard is that Buddha, it has to be gifted by someone and you should not buy it. But
अच्छा.
there's my sister-in-law who is like very much into feng shui. So what she told me, that in fact you should buy it on your own, because whoever is gifting you, that person's intentions may or may not be good.
Oh.
So you should not take it from anyone, rather
Buy
buy
it.
it yourself and
Okay.
place it wherever you want.
Okay, because a couple of times I have experienced that when I have opened a gift
Mhm.
or I've started using that gift, then something wrong has happened in the house or with my
Oh.
health. That's when I realized that the vibes are not good and somebody has gifted you with very wrong intentions. तो ये rarely होता है, but
हाँ.
कभी कभार हो सकता है.
But then you feel it from inside
Yeah.
that the person's intention.
Yeah.
is-
Nowadays I started I started understanding people's vibes just there and then, the
अच्छा.
moment I meet them.
हाँ, हाँ.
तो आप भी ऐसी गिफ्ट देना जो किसी को, मतलब एक तो अच्छे इंटेंशन के साथ भी, लेकिन ऐसी गिफ्ट होनी चाहिए जिससे वो आदमी खुश हो जाए
Yeah.
देखते ही.
Yeah.
So that's also there.
And don't gift it just for the heck of it.
Yeah, yeah,
don't-
completely.
Don't
I
do
know,
that.
I know.
Yeah. I remember कि मेरी शादी में, my in-laws had given strict instructions कि किसी से भी गिफ्ट्स नहीं लेने हैं.
Hmm.
And that time me and my husband we felt कि क्या यार गिफ्ट्स तो चाहिए, But then after maybe 10-15 years we realized, yeah, that was the best decision. And that time that practice wasn't that common. Okay.
Got it.
By not taking gifts.
Right.
So that practice wasn't that common that time. So you can say we were the trendsetters kind.
बाप रे.
But that time we felt कि यार चाहिए ना gifts ऐसे कैसे.
Yeah.
But over the years we felt कि no, it wasn't necessary. It was the best decision.
Wise decision.
Yeah.
Good.
And now many people follow that.
Yeah.
लेकिन वापस what I have observed कि वापस gifts का
Trend,
fashion आ
हाँ.
रहा है.
Okay.
People are saying कि we are keeping the QR codes, तो जिसको भी करना है स्कैन करके दे सकते हो. So it could be a good practice.
Yeah.
कि उसमें सिर्फ पैसा ही आएगा, not the materialistic
True.
things.
And nowadays you can also gift vouchers, you can gift travel coupons, you can
Yeah.
gift so many different things. मतलब it's not limited to किसी बक्से में कुछ डाल दिया और उसको
हाँ.
wrap कर दिया
हाँ.
with an attractive
And
wrapping paper.
e-vouchers are so
So
handy.
absolutely, you
Yeah.
can gift so many different things, and
Yeah.
which is, like I mentioned, it has to be useful and with good intentions.
Yes,
तो
yes.
हो जाए, and some thought has to be involved.
Yes.
ऐसे नहीं कि बस देना है तो कुछ तो दे देंगे that way. Yeah.
पहले कैसे वो शादियों में वो बर्तन देते थे,
हाँ.
और वो
But
क्या करते
but I
हैं?
think that was quite useful.
यूजफुल, बट अगर तुम्हारे घर पे ही इतने हैं then
Yeah.
doesn't make sense ना.
Yeah. दे रहे हैं. कभी कभार क्या होता है ना, योर इंटेंशन इज नॉट बैड, बट वो जो है ना दैट यू सेड लोग क्या कहेंगे, और जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ फॉर्मेलिटी दे गिफ्टिंग में कि अरे भाई दूज है, दैट इज भाऊबीज वी कॉल इन मराठी, दिवाली और रक्षाबंधन, और तो हाँ भाई को कुछ गिफ्ट देना है, चलो क्या देंगे यार, हाँ चलो ये लाते हैं होलसेल में और दे देते हैं सबको. देयर इज नो थॉट इन्वॉल्व इन दैट. लाइक आई सेड, वॉलेट्स और परफ्यूम्स, दैट्स ऑल. But when you gift something effective, when you put your thought in it, that is quite important, and that's why I thought of discussing this topic.
And now my kids, for Bhai Dooj or for Raksha Bandhan, they tell each other कि मेरे को ये चाहिए. So that's what, like, what they need, they ask each other. तो उसका कुछ काम तो आता है ना.
Great. That's. I
Yeah.
think it's good to ask what to gift.
Yeah.
I think like you have gifted my dad a ice cream cake today. It's his
Yeah.
birthday.
Yeah, I thought it
So
would
we
be-
would love it, obviously. Yeah, that's all. That's how it is about.
See this shirt you're wearing.
Yeah.
When I saw it, I thought Rohan will look.
Oh, yes.
It will look good on Rohan.
And isn't it already?
Yes.
So yeah, and that's why I'm wearing it.
Yeah,
Okay, that's why I'm
yeah,
wearing it. So ये intention भी काफी जरूरी है. And one funny incident about regifting जो मैंने कहा ना, कभी कभार क्या होता है, there are things that you don't need. And when my parents just got married, during that time they used to stay in Borivali. And they used to have a neighbor, I think they were Sardarjis. And on my parents' anniversary or either my dad's birthday, something, that gifted a bunch of handkerchiefs.
Oh.
Like, you get that box of handkerchiefs. And I think my dad didn't want them or something, and then he kept it inside the cupboard. And he forgot that they have gifted the same thing, and on their anniversary he gifted the same thing
हाँ.
to them. He regifted them. जिन्होंने दिया था उन्हीं को, सरदार जी. वो आ गए दरवाजे पे, प्रसाद भाई या प्रसाद जी, whatever something he said like that. ये क्या बात हुई, हमने जो दिया था वही आपने हमें दे दिया.
So what was your father's
They were very embarrassed. I don't know. I'm going to ask him what you actually, the way you responded, because my dad must have come up with some reason, I'm sure about it. But that's a funny, because this also can very much happen. जब आप किसी की दी हुई चीज उसी को वापस दे देते हो as a gift.
And another thing is, like, you know, wherever I go, I have this habit of getting things for people.
Correct.
But now my daughter stops me. She says, Mama, you're not buying anything for yourself, and you're buying things for others, and you don't even know whether they use it or not. दुनियादारी मत कर. And she literally stops me.
Yeah.
She said, no, if you want to buy for yourself.
Yeah.
No, किसी को लेने की जरूरत नहीं. सब अब मिलता है इंडिया में या कहीं पे भी, like, you know, wherever I go. She stops me from that.
So you should ask her to train my mom also in the same thing, because my mom.
See, we have been brought up in that.
No. Listen to what I'm saying. My mom buys gifts so that she will potentially give it to other people, which she eventually uses herself. So she buys it with, नहीं किसी को देना होगा तो, and then once it's back home वो अपने आप के लिए हो जाता है, इसकी जरूरत भी नहीं होती. बहुत सारी चीजों की जरूरत होती है नहीं. Just getting and filling it in your cupboard. अच्छा चलो,
for
whatever.
herself.
Yeah.
Here I'm not buying for myself. I'm
buying for others.
That's why she's stopping.
But your intentions are nice, right? That's important.
My intention is good, but she's saying ki, start loving yourself. Do something for yourself.
Yes.
Years ago, my boyfriend then, and who became my husband after that, but in 87, he had gifted me a nice heart. वो तो हम लोग का बचपन का प्यार. तो he had given me a heart, and red heart, and my heart beats for you, ऐसे करके उस पे लिखा था. And it really beats, okay, टक 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 टक.
Okay.
ऐसे, and it beats अब तक. Now my husband is no more, but whenever I take out,
the heart is still there.
It's such a, I mean,
that's so sweet.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely. I have never seen that. You should show it to me the next time.
And whenever I take it out from the cupboard, it starts tuck 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 tuck.
As if he's still there with you. You know, he knew it. He already gave his heart to you earlier. On that note, let us know what are some of the funniest gift stories that you have experienced. Whether it is regifting, whether you have given gift to someone that they are already gifted you पहले, or what are your thoughts about gifting? किसको क्या देना चाहिए, किसको क्या नहीं देना चाहिए?
And whether gifting is necessary.
Absolutely. Till then, signing off, and take this episode as a gift from us.
And if you want to gift us something, please note, no candles, no photo frames, just send coffee vouchers. Thank you.
Bye-bye.